Right now, things are very quiet. This is a view of downtown Indianapolis from Victory Field. The Indians game yesterday evening was delayed due to those heavy showers that moved on through. They'll have an afternoon game today, and we won't see anything of that nature moving through during that time frame, so they should be able to get that game in with no issues. The cloudy skies to start our day here. The storm reports from yesterday, and you can see quite a few reports of tree limbs down, as well as some wind reports out of the storms that rolled on through Tuesday evening. Rainfall estimates of more than an inch in several locations. Actual reports of more than an inch in Indianapolis, more than an inch and a half in Bloomington, close to half an inch in Shelbyville. And here are those radar estimates. We're down in Decatur County. The estimations are right around 5 inches of rainfall. Early this morning, we still had a flash flood warning over that county. That has since expired. But again, heavy rainfall fell yesterday from that line of storms that rolled on through. We will be much quieter today, but we will have the chance for some showers and storms again, especially into the late evening hours on into very early Thursday morning. Live Guardian radar quiet all across central Indiana. We do still have a fair amount of cloud cover at this time, but we will start to mix in some more sunshine as we get later into the morning and into the afternoon. So this will be a day with a mix of sun and clouds. This takes us to the lunch hour. I'm expecting us dry through noon. And then as we get into the late afternoon, this is showing us dry. But as we get into the peak heating of the day, just with available moisture and that instability, wouldn't rule out a pop-up shower. Better storm chances come as we get into the evening hours. Even here, this is 7 o'clock. They'll be rather isolated in nature. Then we'll see some scattered showers and storms come through during the overnight hours. This is 2 a.m. tomorrow morning. Some of these could be on that strong to severe side, with damaging winds being that primary threat. But once again, all severe weather threats are possible, so make sure you have a way to get alerts as you're going to bed tonight. This takes us to 8 a.m. That activity will be winding down tomorrow morning, but keeping with a few spotty showers around daybreak tomorrow. The Storm Prediction Center does have the northern half of the state highlighted under that threat for severe weather. Again, that is going to be for that round tonight into very early tomorrow morning. This is a level 1 out of 5 in the green, that marginal risk. Off to our northwestern counties in yellow, that slight risk for severe weather, that level 2 of 5, so that threat just a little bit higher in that location. And then we see that threat spread across the state as we head into Thursday, and this is going to be for primarily Thursday night on into early Friday out ahead of the cold front that's going to push some storms on through, and some of those could be on the strong to severe side. We're warm out there now. 74 is where we are in Indy, same in Bloomington, and 71 in Lafayette. These dew point temperatures are very elevated in the low to mid 70s. It feels tropical outside. The Indians had a rain delay in their game yesterday. We won't see that as we get into this afternoon, as they have an afternoon game with first pitch at 1:35 p.m. It'll be warm and humid with a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures around first pitch close to 87 degrees, and we'll look at a high of 90 today. This will be the first time, if we get there, that we've seen 90 since last August. In addition to that, we'll have those feels like temperatures in the mid and upper 90s this afternoon, and we'll repeat that, actually thinking slightly warmer as we head into your Thursday, looking at a high of 93 tomorrow. Scattered showers and storms again tomorrow, mainly late Thursday night into very early Friday. These will be out ahead of a cold front that'll bring us some changes to end the week. High of 82 with more sunshine by Friday afternoon. We will be turning less humid throughout the day on Friday, so looking great for those who have plans to be out at Jubilation. Temperatures fall to the low 60s early Saturday. The first half of the weekend looking good, a little more humid and warm, a high of 85 on Saturday. Plenty of sunshine around for the first half of the weekend. We bring back rain chances on Sunday, but not a washout with those scattered showers and storms, a high of 80, and then we'll cool it down to below average temperatures Monday, high of 77, 76 Tuesday of next week.